This is the heater core out of my 3751, and I hooked these pressure testers up on here, well, the nozzle for it, and then this radiator cap tester here, and hooked it to the compressor, and then threw a 15-pound cap on the other side. This obviously doesn't run at that kind of pressure, but I was just looking for the leaks. And there's a couple little leaks. There's a little tiny crack right at that seam right there. And there was another one over here. And then there was one on the bottom here. It wasn't a lot. With just water in it and no pressure, nothing was leaking out of it that I could detect. It's sitting full with water now, and there's no water under it or on it. But right around in here, right in there, there was a leak too. So I cleaned it all up, and I'm going to solder it again, and that should stop it, and then I can put it back in the bus. But obviously we run a lot lower pressure than that. I just happen to have a 15 psi cap, so I was detecting it. But it's cleaned up pretty good. I'm still going to flux the shit out of it before I solder it, but considering it's 70 years old, it looks pretty good. It's holding waters. Last time I had it in there, I noticed it was leaking. Not a lot. But I just wanted to get it taken care of before I put it back in. It'd be nice to have over-the-road heat again in the bus. I just drove. It was 30 degrees outside, and it was pretty miserable. So it's a nice little heater core. No, nothing leaks in on the tubes anywhere. It was just the top, the little plates. And again, it's filled with water. You can see that water's just sitting in there, and nothing's dripped on the floor around it here on either end. So it's only leaking when it's under pressure, and they're very, very small leaks, but it'll be good to get them soldered up and fixed up.